In question number 10.5, a hydrocarbon C5H10 does not react with chlorine in dark but gives a single monochloro compound C5H9Cl in bright sunlight. Identify the hydrocarbon. Now for such kind of questions, write all the information which are given in the question in short. So first of all, we are writing the compound given is C5H10. After that, it is said that it is not reacting with chlorine in absence of light. In the dark, it is not reacting with chlorine and there is no reaction. And second information is given here is it is reacting with chlorine in presence of bright sunlight it is reacting, and by this we are getting C5H9Cl, and this is a single compound which is monochloro compound. This is much information is given, and by that we have to decide which hydrocarbon is given here, that is C5H10. Now by this information we can get so many other things also, that if it is not reacting with chlorine in dark, that means it is not alkene, because alkenes are also having the same general formula CnH2n. So by that it can be alkene, but alkenes addition of halogen can take place even in dark, but in case of this compound it is not reacting, that means it is not alkene. Second information whatever we are getting by this is it is reacting with chlorine, and by that we are getting only single monochloro compound. This is indicating that all the 10 hydrogen are of same kind in this, and that is possible only if C5H10 is a cyclopentane, where all hydrogen atoms are having same position, and if any one hydrogen is replaced by chlorine, then we should get a single monochloro compound. So it can be C5H10. First thing. Second thing is chlorine in presence of bright light, the reaction is only taking place in hydrocarbon. This is characteristic reaction of saturated hydrocarbon when halogenation is taking place by radical mechanism. So that is possible only in presence of bright sunlight. So by both this information we can say that C5H10 should be cycloalkane, and it is cyclopentane here in this case, because it can only explain that when halogenation is done in presence of light, then it can give you single halo compound, monochloro compound.